Hey, I'm Adam Jusko from Adam Answers, where we answer the burning and not so burning questions of the day. In this video, does Apple's MagSafe charger come with the power adapter? That's what we're going to take a look at. But first, I'm going to ask you, if you find this video to be useful, to please subscribe to our channel, help us out. The new Apple MagSafe charger may be something that you are interested in for the iPhone 12, or maybe if you're watching this in the future, for future iPhones. But the question you might have is, does it replace other chargers, or do you still need an adapter with it? Does it come with the adapter? All that kind of stuff. Well, I have the MagSafe charger right here, new in the box, and so we're going to do a little unboxing and check out exactly what's in there. All right, so we open it up, and inside you are going to find, as always, Apple likes to do a little extra packaging, make you feel good about your purchases. What you're going to see there is your MagSafe charger. Open this up, and here is your charger. And otherwise in the box, we got a whole lot of nothing other than some instructions on how to use your MagSafe charger. So there is no power adapter actually in this box. What else is in there? Something else is moving around. Oh, more stuff. But no power adapter in the box. All right, now let's take this baby out of here so we can find out exactly what it looks like, how long this cord is, what you're going to need to actually power it. So the cord comes out easily enough. And then what you've got here is the USB-C connector on the end. So if you already have a power adapter that has the USB-C connector, then you're going to be in good shape. Otherwise, you may have to purchase one. Now, there might be some other better way to get this out of here than just ripping this cardboard apart, but I'm not sure what it is, so I'm going to rip that cardboard apart. And then when I do, there's your MagSafe charger. At least there's the end of the MagSafe charger, the part that's actually going to connect to your iPhone. Overall, what you're getting with the MagSafe charger with the cord is about 3 feet. You're actually getting a little bit more than 3 feet, or a little bit more than 1 meter if you're using the metric system. So to me, that's maybe a little disappointing. I'd like a little more than just this as the length here between where I'm plugged in with the adapter and the part that actually is going to attach to the phone. Like I said, that MagSafe charger has the USB-C end, but it doesn't actually come with an adapter to plug it in, so you're either going to have to use an existing adapter that you have, or you could purchase one from Apple. Along with the introduction of the MagSafe charger, Apple did put on sale a new 20-watt adapter, which maybe would be the thing that you would be interested in getting along. As I make this video, this is an extra 19 bucks. There's not a whole lot of suspense in terms of what an adapter looks like, but just to pull that out and show it to you, this is what you're getting, 20-watt adapter. When you pull that out and you grab the MagSafe charger, I will just put them together to prove to you that you actually can use the one with the other here, and that is the way that you're going to plug in your charger. So you're going to have an adapter that has that USB-C end in order to work it with the MagSafe charger. And then you're good to go to charge up that iPhone 12 and perhaps new iPhones into the future. Questions, comments, put them in the comments box below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this was helpful to you, and we'll see you again soon.